Viewers, we will continue our lecture on profit and loss. We have already discussed the basic and important terms related to profit and loss in our previous lecture. Today we will discuss few examples related to profit and loss. So I have taken few terms, let it cost price in terms of rupees, profit and loss percent, and we have to calculate the selling price. So in first example, the cost price is rupees 400 and we earn profit 30%. So we have to find the selling price. As we already know in our previous lecture that selling price is 100% of cost price if there is no profit and no loss. But here we seen that we get 30% profit. So in this case selling price is 130% of cost price and cost price is 400. So we can calculate this 130 into 400 divided by 100. So we get 0 and 0 cancel. So 13 4s are 520 rupees. So in this case selling price is 520 rupees. In second case we get profit 70%, 500 is the cost price, so selling price is 170% of 500, that is nothing but 800 rupees. You can calculate this. In third example we get profit 40%, so selling price is 140% of cost price is 600, so we get 840 rupees. Selling price is 840. In the next example there is a loss of 30%, so selling price is 100 minus 30 because we get 30% loss. So selling price is 70% of cost price, 70% of 400, that is 70 into 400 upon 100, so that is equal to 280 rupees. In next case loss is 70%, so we get selling price 30% of cost price and cost price is 500. So similar way we get 150 rupees. And in last example selling price is, we have to find selling price, loss is 40%, so selling price is 60% of cost price, that is equal to 360 rupees. So in next case we take selling price in term of rupees, profit and loss percent is given, and we have to calculate the cost price. For example, if we take selling price is 520 rupees, profit is 30%, and we have to find cost price. So how we calculate the cost price? As we know early that selling price is 100 plus profit, or if loss then 100 minus loss percent. So here we get 30% profit. It means 520 is nothing but it is 130% of cost price, 130% of cost price. So cost price is this 520 is nothing but it is 130% of cost price is equal to 520 rupees. This is, so 1% of CP is equal to 520 upon 130. So 100% of CP is equal to 520 upon 130 into 100. So we get 400 rupees. So in this way we get, so the shortcut technique to find the cost price is, the selling price is 520 rupees, profit is 30%, then cost price, how we calculate? 520 selling price divided by 130, 100 plus 30 into, we divide the profit percent, so we get 400 rupees. Now let us take another example. Let the profit is selling price is 700 profit is 40%, so we have to find cost price. So 700 divided by 140 into 100, that is 0 and 0 cancel, 14 5s are 500 rupees. Let us take another example. The selling price is 1200, we get profit 50%, and cost price is 1200 upon 150 into 100, 0 and 0 cancel, 15 8s are, so that is equal to 800 rupees. So if selling price is 960, loss is 20%, then cost price is 960, no, loss is 20%, so 100 minus 20 is 80 into 100. So in this way we get the selling price, cost price. Let us take a few examples. So a box is bought of rupees 75 and sold at a gain of 8%. Find the selling price. So we have to find the selling price. So cost price is given 75 rupees, profit is 8%, and we have to find selling price. So selling price is nothing, it is 108% of 75, that is 108 into 75 upon 100. So we can easily calculate this, that is equal to 81 rupees. So within second we can find the answer. The next question is, the cost price of an article is rupees 7840. What should be the selling price of the article so that there is a profit of 7%? So cost price is, CP is 7840, profit is 7%. So we have to find selling price, that is nothing but 107% of 7800. You can calculate this. Next example is, a gold bracelet is sold for rupees 14,500 at a loss of 20%. What is the cost price of the gold bracelet? So in this case we have to find the cost price. So selling price is given 14,500, loss is given 20%, we have to find cost price. So in this case we divide by 80. So selling price is 14,500 divided by 80 into 100. So you can calculate this and find the answer. Next example, Supriya sold a washing machine for rupees 88,500. She incurred a loss of 15% in this transaction. At what price had she bought the washing machine? Same case, the selling price is given 8,500, loss is given 15%. We have to find cost price. Cost price is nothing but 8,500 divided by 85 into 100, and this is nothing but 10,000 rupees. So thank you. We will discuss more examples in our next lecture. Thank you very much.